these brakes on this car is crappy. Let's make them better. That's the intro, right there. You better have recorded that good. This isn't the normal cameraman. Let's hope we're not in trouble. Okay, let's go park this thing.
The slots in the rotors are designed to give the rotors a nice clean wipe every time the pad goes over it. And then the holes are meant to help vent gases coming out of the pads. That's what you hear everybody say. But the main reason why people get them is because they look cool.
So what are we doing today? With brake rotors, I'm gonna drill and slot them. I don't know how to make like a nice smooth transmission to this. Maybe we can just cut to the garage. Okay, we're in the garage. This is the idea. See, I think Will gets annoyed when I do this, but like I have this vision in my head of how the video is gonna be, and I feel like whenever Will's recording, I just kind of take him along with me, and he has no clue what I'm doing. But I got it. Listen, this video is gonna be awesome. Okay. We'll just grab like a flat edge. We'll just take permanent marker and just go like, boom. Oh yeah.
Good enough for your liking?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so good. Okay. Yeah. And then, okay, yeah, maybe we should drill it we should angle grind it. And then we'll figure out what to do from there. Alright, I guess we're just gonna send it. You know, that's like a millimeter deep. Is that deep enough? Well, that's definitely visible. Alright, we'll just send it. Let's do something a little bit more creative, huh? So like, we can freehand this now. Well, we got the first one that looks like that should be the second one, and the first one that looks like that should be the second, or I don't know. Wait, no, we gotta do it on the other side? No, we don't. We can do a couple just for like the peace of mind. So now we should do the holes.
Inside.
Yep, okay, should we just do a hole right here, a hole right here? No, let's not do that. X that. We should do a hole up here, a hole down here, and up here, that down here. Actually, not these. Okay, so we can do a hole up here, a hole down here. Okay, so I'll just cut to myself. We'll just cut it to when we're... The drills took way longer than we thought we would. So they're really small, but in the end it actually looks pretty good. Just the holes though. The slots look really bad. And then now we're just gonna slap them on the car. Because as Adam Savage once said, the difference between science and screwing around is if you write it down. And we should probably write it down somewhere. But I'm pretty sure this is science if writing it down counts as we write down whether or not the car completely blows up or not.
You know, I gave Dakota one job, and that was to make sure that the audio was working while he was recording me. And he screwed that up. So now I have to continue the rest of this video with voiceover. Okay, here's me jacking up the car with Corbin's jack. he doesn't have that jack anymore. He sold it to Will. And then here's me breaking loose the lug nuts with a quarter drive ratchet wrench because I didn't bring any tools with me. Here's me using an impact socket to get the screw loose. That was really satisfying when I got loose. And then here's me pretending to drop the brakes for you. And then, oh, that brake rotor looks really bad. Too bad nobody can hear you talking about it. They can't hear you talk. You're talking out loud to the audience, but they can't hear you. Because Dakota screwed up the recording. And then that was me throwing the brake rotor behind me. And then I put the new brake rotor that we just made on there. And then I hand tightened the screw on there so it just stay on. I don't want the next guy to deal with that. So then we immediately stopped recording, started working the other side, took a 4-month break, and then I sold the car to some poor teenage kid.
The exposure is really bad. I should have locked the exposure. Yeah, the video ended up abruptly. The story, I mean. And I hate that too. And this video was about to go in the bin, but yeah, we sold the car. Don't have it no more. We needed the money. We needed the money to be able to afford this. I accidentally deleted the video that I was about to show you, so here's a different one. But don't get too excited. I'm definitely probably not going to be making any videos about this car. I just needed something. I just had to finish the video, man, and you know, there's 3 parts to a story. There's the beginning, the middle, the end, and I had to figure out something to put in here. Yeah, that's it. Here's a video of Corbin trying to do donuts with his traction. Here's a video of Corbin trying to do donuts with his traction control on. He's trying to do donuts with the foot brake. Oh, look at him. Drive back a shame. That was... No, that was pretty bad.
I spun this time. I broke my wheel flips. Or it felt like it.
You didn't.
Well, my car was screaming at me the entire time.
Yeah.
And I did turn tighter than I did before.
Just got home. The neighbors just got home. And now I'm just waiting for them to walk inside.
Is that pretty sick? Were you recording in vertical? Oh my god.